Me co-pilot. Yaba pro bebre na ka che no so ye de hon mama ne e de bebre atiefo abra ya
ti de ni nyina no ya hoboa na etwen se ye de sa amane ye sige kanom ye de ma wa kusi sabato no be ko na wiye na ye ka special voting e ho nsem yi me de wo e ba delegate ne fetusu nsia ti ye e bo amane e fa special voting ho na enipa se sia no isi e chese wo matro mudia abeko akoto aba out of 18.7 million Ghanaians no e 131,478 omone special voters a ene wo mo beko akoto aba no nti wo de eno no etoto eye nipadodo wo mudin wa bato mo ma ye 18.7 million a ebisa egu achi no a na chese eno no egina ho ma ohamu chichimu kra de just enya me 1% kra me wo ba bia 0.007% eno ene nipadodo a eto aba no na ECH chese 276 constituencies wa Ghana ni nyina no abato no ebekoso ewo hono ma Central Kofi Akpafulipe ena lolobi safo no woma so ene womo eto special voting ni bi anyame yadoma December 7 womo besan so ato maba ede ayi womo mra se bedwani
hono se ebomode na special voting kwa
ye update free
ho ese ko because 2020 no
2020 so mo ne representative
ye womo free mu
nti ne de enhyehyɛ nyina wiedru a womo eto maba ewo honom ti eno ho amane ewo ha pepepe CJ na ECH say womo to aba no ewia enyade womo bekan womo betwen akosi se December 7 eso na ye nyina ye koto ye de ewia si yo beto aba wen
me to race course
akra ya
race course
okay but me koto won kokko do me abra
no anapa race course no ye de twim wi na fei
okay me de me konkoko sa pepepe we si na abra yi bran kran da bi pachopa me pe kokko wa
abra ma min kwa homa no so na me ne Evans Nimakon ye director of elections for the New Patriotic Party me ne Evans Nimakon twetwe enkomo Evans o temenka
Onye mpacho metonka wapom tse.
Nyame adom ye ho de ye pa se so ho ye de.
Oba de ahwe so mo je de fusani we.
Ye de nyame ase. Me gidi se be ye don hwere ne akire ye share special voting exercise ye che ase no wodi wani de akire monitoring na kosen Evans.
Oh mame na wase akwanya de amana na menche tiefo. Medical kan se enchia stronko ne free New Patriotic Party presidential candidate Ura Mahamudu Bawumia eba obibia ho. So far there ene eye enhyehyem no yenyina ni se eye mo media fo a mo accreditation ene security agencies any EC staff any hardcore staff ana eto voting. Enti constituency bia one voting center except say baby o ha omododo nti enchichem abem ino no sa 328 voting centers in New Patriotic Party enyinamufu a omugina ho ama ye presidential candidate Ora Mahamudu Bawumia ene ye parliamentary candidate nyina yenim se ene omuwie a enya de a easy ebe bi ballot so ak minimum obesili na yakobo homban police for ak nti yeni di ekire so far the enti bibi boni bia yenim se de na ekono sanso na memende we yenim so ebeko yaba ne ebeko akoto adwenkyere ye New Patriotic Party de ye warehemu onyame mu se ensema ye presidential candidate Ura Mahamudu Bawumia akache Ghana for no omasum enomasum peta efutu a efri Ura je kofo ho eba Ghana for any New Patriotic Party for say man of destiny and then obia ukra Ghana dachi no yenyina de ahoden sonko eta nechi say yebewie no asumbi wo Ghana na Ura Mahamudu Bawumia abe the next president. New Patriotic Party de yabotai no.
But yeah, Eastern region and the Western region near SEO Honma Enunti Ama East Chese wa recalling ballot papers na yedi one more special vote na wakoshe nyame adoma yawada the 5th of December. A benya effect be on the planning of the various political parties was our kind of one Evans.
Yo, the mechanism me a decision with the very expensive decision.
Yes.
And or the two political parties any. Emergency meeting. And shameless aboniphobia. And I say aboniphobia. And Sako can ballot paper back. Oshima, if we anchor as a say call Eastern region. And now human so if we printing house be. Na yisi say pese obi bebo obi asobo name mo pese or conductive voting exercise a free fair and transparent intino ta ba ko na abefre mo no ebetumi asay dodo na eno nti eastern and western there obeka say neno to ko say ya woda party there the cost are brain into yen casene senti yen actually samring back press art commercial any annually your agent for what omode omani this new printer ECA the woman say ballot akwa could do that district no no the any BDH could say nyina beba e be kwa kosay no because the democracy there is expensive. Into ohin a decision imu edu, but Nigidi say the yena ji to money say bakuno ebe say the whole process there. Yen twinsen saying into the said there ni free new patriotic party or eba mo yeniano media for police for and security agencies any EC staffer any combatant ba Amazon no say organize kakra harding but that sacrifice ombe ebeboa Ghana mpumto ebeboa ama mentimi ho asibia nke sese ba no ebe free ho na asumdwe akoso atena Ghana nti ya pila ya debema obi bia or Eastern region now Western region say electoral history in these regions onim say new patriotic party ahode ohon esopa enso akoba ne sa nim say ebe say ye sacrifice kakra ne yenya the total effect essence say ye be rush na infomso aba nti ohin eno ankoma yisi any political parties be ye jitu mo sa say expensive and so na
okay, but the calls for investigations and maybe further punishment for omwa ties are leakage. We've heard from the NDC and the PNC. NPP, are you joining that call? Say yen shishimuna ubi bia o techre no asuche se ne yenfa emano Evans.
Ohen na wa magana abokase na ense se ehwehwem. Ese se security agencies no ede omonan system na obi bia o sheta adwemboni echi no yeyinima na onimra ofisi mra electoral offense se anka ohin ballota if you printing house echo Eastern region echo parties na dey ediomusius atoto back no akwama ye deliver to the region district officers party officers edechire only a expensive business pal say obehini nyina every region across district na distribution akoso wato seals o party for DHD self fuel car and the risk involved say o car kokra with DHD ni nyina ni paboni for bintino SSA ya twentwen so bia ene na omo mo shechiri no SSA mra ni omudi into be our information as I said or the man a buying security there in a boa me tumpon into to be in the dear or beboa na police no at me investigation a bemi nipa bonifa or my share prices the meka me say oh and now you meeting parties may be engaging media adwuma no se munima oye enye etese o hye isumu na bubu we nya dia obia ehu nemum no minimpefe se maybe ya twemu no yenuan ma no African country bia ahai asemba ko a yenua bi tena radio kan ema the from say Hutus any Tutsis and tokwa babesi omontem okay say ebra ora Mahamud Baumia eco sign peace party no my appeal to union media for security for political party leadership any omo presidential candidate say yen go through sa exercise in we na Ghana enin kunim na sundwe entna Ghana enti ya this dear pa say allegations are ehu eni nyina so no my fan to ga me gidi say uhu video bi e call ran no mo say box bag bi a wo eastern region ni seals ni nyina atete e ba be dey just say enye seals nyina na atete o ni mum seals ni bi anenyi ho omunya abotre ehwe de wo bag no mu no na ye intact of all records are parties nyina electoral commission police for NDC MPP ekrano na pepepe intisi enya abotra na sa video na beba dedwa no na nke hu hia migide se sa me oni akwa oye sa video no na nie wu ni trim na sa ne ma sei ana emwa a raise tension oye new patriotic party nye first time aye coalition ni yakwa elections are your presidential candidate a certain president 2020 na nado danko kufuado on the ballot paper no na onu ne da number 1 certain president to yenya ballot issuers a omo akukuduro se obeti ballot paper wati na nado danko kufuado efiri so enki o baby ba ko esi oboko central esi we wutu senya new patriotic party yankase Ghana embo ye the asem koto electoral commission the ECA and say sa almost ane the emranium bidi the tosumi no ballot paper bia any the full complement of all the candidates no enye papa I'm saying a certain president ballot issuer enya akukuduro say obeti na free ballot paper so and so no issue no to a voter enun kwampo no yenya abotre inti ya de sede ne se yenyina yenya abotre yenim se nuanu media for ensema no kwewom ana mode batuga ama Ghana for eti na tension political party leadership bi epese de ba no yenyina ma akofem okay, that is no.
Okay, Nia Essie, will you say, sir, MP more level of confidence in the whole electoral process? Yeah, Yasha CNA. Swati Evans.
I Menana Ioka, or see young cranny moon to two cranny. This whole exercise, no, a long chain. A started free bra. Registration exercise, limited registration exercise, a course. A bequako ende or bra yatua baby December 7, 2024. Na results ya kind ya announce na yisi I final declaration. Ye no the assessed new patriotic party Libertuja efa about to one share no. Party leadership, the national chairman, Ora Yinsun team. General Secretary, Lawyer Justin Kodia. The Baba Trigger, I'm a Ghana for artists. I'm ready. Make us say, you need the institution pepe. In him say, a Jumadea, Ura Mahamud Baumia, a futua, a free president for Abba, say man of destiny, young fan who are then strong co internet. New Patriotic Party to Sanamon. Into from polling station out to national level. In him say, ya this idea that about the enemy. You be election. Now, Ura Mahamudu Baumia, on wedding queen.
Medase Evans Nimako, Director of Elections for the New Patriotic Party, and no to train common right here on Adom 106.3 FM election headquarters. Engineer Ahomano Sona Yene Madi Jibril, Deputy Director of Election and IT for the National Democratic Congress. Madi, me mama kwaba no na mi bisa beye don shudi mi enumu any ena yese special voting exercise no as when di actually so far e kwesen Madi.
CJ, I can make with you for no pay. Menusa Casacha, CJ.
Papa.
Special votes in it, as you said, at 7 a.m. You were over 300 sentences. Here to Abba. That was the original. Even though a district office, another constituency office in here to Abba. Now, it's supposed to be 276, but it's more than 276 because some sentence, two sentences in a trouble because of the number of voters in that area. In Jamaica, more than 300, no. But out of even the 16 regions, 2 regions in trouble. That's Western region
and Eastern region.
And
Eastern region.
Yes. And Paba.
Yes.
In the Aka 14 regions in the Abatron also as planned. Usually, a best special voting now, you won't turn in some. Usually, because don't forget, it's a selected voters. And the debate was on Metuaba. So usually, you won't turn in some baby. We hope and pray that it continue the same path. And even improved. Even before that, they say you see Eddie more to abandon no list about 2 websites so on websites so. And no Omankasa admit say a bit more omudi and Nisa list so even though they are to vote today. So they have provided understand how provided a short code for you to confirm that issue. Say if you are the one who did a list or website you can confirm through a short code, so they won't be able to about. So those are the things that start here for the elections. We believe it will go the same way up to the end of the elections, voting today.
But then, I don't know if you were at the emergency EC meeting. But now, Madi.
Me know as a person, but as a party represented very well.
Okay, but so the development from the Western and the Eastern region, Anunti Ama EC, recalling the ballot from these 2 regions, put to honor special voting on hold. How does that come to the party National Democratic Congress, Madi?
I think that it's unfortunate. BBC, AC, and even the timing of announcements, so for me, it's a problematic. Because it didn't take the EC yesterday alone and after to find out this challenge. Because it will go through some investigation. Because national security will identify that issue. So it means that it went through some investigation up to that point. Before it comes out, that maybe I could say, we need to call even political party to inform them and see what they will do. Looking at the time, whilst we are even doing that investigation,
yes,
we could have considered time. We have considered time. Also, it is not when you provide the issue that's the solution, but the end result is the key factor of the issue.
Yes.
Maybe people will not understand. Oh, is problem no more ballot papers. But now let's look at time of printing, movement of the material up to the end point of the polling station.
Before we even look at the timing and everything, is it not surprising, say, process seeing party reps, Nsem, you are all there monitoring the every step of the way, and yet we hear some of these things. More reps more monitor process no. I
see, I think I've done this thing with you before. I can say you have agents at the polling station. Doesn't mean that if it is a criminal, a criminal cannot try and test the system.
On the blind side of more party reps are more honor.
In fact, what do you say? When you be and a book until we know who did it, then we can blame other agents or who. Okay? Let me give you the architecture of a printing house so you appreciate it. We have national security there. We have what we call the BNI. We have the police. Okay? These three sectors. The printing house, printing house is behind the printing ballot paper. Because you are a security printing house. In the offer of CCTV camera, it's captured everything, almost everything in that area. Then now come the electoral commission officers and then agents. Now the agent is Juma or Yebreno, say, statistics na yedi amano. Printing na from the machine printing, every this stage to that stage, to be able to know that your printer we your serial number at your baggage, yeah, all these two assaults, so I get two bags no more. I check it and in also. In fact, in the normal way, so be a criminal person or be a bonibia. Nanka a bad deal so we transfer ballot paper within the same structure. Because we have more than 5 pooling agents. So when you take the structure, this thing in the action, we can say ANC that. Because of the kind of measures printing out.
No, but Madi, Mebao, after all these structures and processes, near the Nano, not say ballot bar, paper bar, could me every muliki, menti, ekofasa, kainina, the bar. I don't know. I
say, I did
yes.
I say checkpoint credibility.
Also, saying for credibility. The printing house, no?
But I tell my credibility. Totally. In fact, that is why I think, say, Nankandre Yano, letter commission could have mentioned the person who involved. Because the national security didn't find the paper on the floor. The CCTV camera, now what is the CCTV camera of the printing house told us? For me, because they believe, say, it can have an impact on the elections, it means the electoral commission have seen the CCTV camera and saw the person who did it.
Okay, but footage, nipa no paper no the information that you have.
I'm not can't tell me no, because this is our information that they should provide to you and I.
Okay.
And what do I say?
Matthias here.
This is information that, for the sake of this country, they should have put it on public say. The system now, checkpoint, you want to see, the senior would be a fire. We are already quiet. In fact, we are quiet because we try to know what he's going to do with it. But from what the electoral commission have done, they only confirm is that they believe, say, Nipano Omunimono. They also know, say, the principal papers to use it in this election. Because okay, say, when we began this year, they can say BBD IRA. Okay, you know, back home. What would the electoral commission respond? So, before the choir, what do you mean impact in the elections? Also, now they come back to what we are saying. He said, somebody can pick something and tell it to do something to benefit in the election. Now you see that I come to that position of NDC.
Madi,
understand me?
Yeah, I get the point you are making.
The electoral process, electoral material, you don't give it that chances. And I believe today the electoral commission will understand the NDC's argument there. Usually, when somebody, the question is, why would somebody pick a ballot paper? Why would somebody pick one?
Yeah.
One. So why will he pick it when there are serial numbers on it? So for what purpose? So when you ask this question, then now you bring it up. Maybe I will serial numbers that you may print the same serial numbers. Meaning that the person knows that he can use it. Okay? So this is what makes them. That is when the NDC raised the issue of BBD IRA, laptop IRA. See, he might not use the same thing, but he will use it to study the system to be able to break through. Ampara, okay, sir, after that argument, and say, and a Busigan, it will break the system to add people in the register.
Now, but Amadi, will you say, sir, this new development a further, I don't know, more level of confidence and what was our process in easier Juma warrior at so further, Madi?
Oh, say, we'll go back to our post. My boss, my neighbor, post.
Post, on Facebook, yes.
On the checkpoint during their printing. Only this issue of checkpoint, they should, Electoral Commission should put eye on the checkpoint. When we said that, and they rubbish us then. Go and check. Omaniba made a post, and they indicate that things that are happening at the checkpoint, it can cause us in that, and they could do honor.
Madi, Mamma, no, it's an offense here.
I've always said, say now, mine is some. You belong to NDC, I belong to MPP. But that shouldn't deny us. Stop and say, to serve this of my own. I should do things for the benefit of my party. Because we're not angels, so because I don't belong to a party. But when you get a position B, that position demands some kind of leveler. You do things for the benefit of my own. This thing that happened, an individual did it just to benefit somebody. Just to benefit somebody. Now, see the cost. What cost? They did not know what cost. Ghanaians will not see, yes, I did what you have been to a principal pay. But nobody is asking themselves, say, how does we prepare this thing to have some place before December 7th? Ask everybody who have managed elections. A front plane, register. Normally, they start even packaging the ballot papers around 2 days to elections. Even with that, at times some polling stations get their ballot papers around 12 noon. And then, the same issue region. This ballot papers is likely to go there on Thursday. That's the region. After open lifting to the district, when are they going to do packaging for you to start voting in some place, not center?
Okay, Mama, do my fan in the coming days we'll have another conversation. So but that's Pama Dijibril is the Deputy Director of Elections and IT for the National Democratic Congress. And actually and common Adom 106.3 FM higher election headquarters Kokromoti Power. Special voting in one man and you go so idea some more Nsem 12 no I kradwa. Yani dia the Amanian baby a Frebiani the Airbrail 3P garlic mixture, a naturally organic Kojak farmer, and the Kojak toothpaste Dwaso, the Luxy paint mu champion, Hack Healthcare, also time for the Quadaroma. And you didn't come out who didn't a bro. I'm not trusting the Boncata and Apostle Top Choco, it's Chocolati. Anointed Engineering Services Limited. Armin Scientific Herbal. Telecell connecting energies. And a few questions, then you question be a king kami, will be be a dukumi at Nase. Adom 106.3 FM as well.
CJ.
Yeah.
Come on and one, I was just seeing no. Now, when you say, Oba delegate one. Boy man, special vote maka ho semacho ni padodo a register ne said ya EC ehwe se enyoma ebeko na edanche so na daily guide no omayi wo manim a endorse Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no so ba de ne fa to so miensa o se Baumia a choice for president no so the bokata na ka ho asem doctor ya o say adutwum wo ba the bokata ne fa to so miensa so wo da ha o kasa won se na sanya yi no mo hya se mo bia no STEM schools so mo si e wo man yi mu ya ebe hwe se e ba no science technology engineering and mathematics a e ho de sua be kwanim na amiti wiase nyina standard na akwada ne wie wo ha se ya certificate no otumi edidi ne dwuma e kwada nim na sigya no ena okọ University of Mines and Technology UMAT mo graduation ceremony no na ewo ena wo kire se sa wo hwe sa adwuma aban na ye wo nwomasuo mu a nipa obetumi abetoa so ama anisode hu na aban nya ye wo de hye stem na se no awie peye no eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na wo hwe sa school ye watakwa no a ono no a school form akoma kwaduasa bako e no sponsor o mo nyina sa kom degree se wo engineering programs awodo mu ye na so na wo de ensem yi atudwa enti ye nwomasuo ene adwuma na o maye wo ho no de wo se wo mu hia aye panyi a ono eti ase no no aso ka ho bi o mo hyase eno matumi edi awie daily guide abokrata mu no na CJ mayenhwe the Ghanaian Times mu wo hwe animase National Health Insurance Authority ye kasei omo de sika 200 million Ghana cedi ena akoma health facilities awodo a ma sa dialysis no CJ wo se no omo manya kidney emu sinto ene wo ha no ja omo koda mfidie so ne ya ka no drosom na ban ye so beso masene no wabo omo wonya pomode papa International Health Insurance Authority no eno motumi akeka niam bomu a yewra da Costa Boaje edi anim doctor ena sese no Ghana babia wokwa meme ahodo omo wo dialysis mfidie ni bi ni ade no wokwa e free into omo de 200 million Ghana cedis na ama wo ma wo de ekwa akwhwe eho dwumadie Ghana babia Ghanaian Times the worker anim eno no na ayoa beme sije wo kai se abrante bia na ye frɛ no Kanawu okogina social media so age ne chekokko ese ono no oye revolutionary leader group no na ye leader aye frɛ ne Kanawu ema wakoka se kɔbɔ ntre ne kɔta ekohunhuna yewra Henry Kote ono a che kwa ye che no wayi na bodwe se no a obɔ ntre ne so police for a recruit to fake police for the makwa ye basabasa bato da
ni video ni na da Facebook
ni video ni na da hono ono ne owura fi na mpacho bra Facebook na be hwade
makai no pa
na the Meridian da obokrata e bo amane se ni di ankasa eye Muhammad Ibrahim oye Sotuom branch organizer ema NDC na semeno ekasa CJ sa video na ba ye ne kokoti sem ne mema sem branch ne ba ye wo social media no okoda fiase mfiedu 10 years CJ social media wo wa phone media simani
wa data
me data media keka de meka me wie media to honom 10 years okoda fiase na nti branch no na da yi ye mo ana mayemo
e boden
voice no Sibia na tie for refi.
Debi.
Saun.
Yemo.
CJ. Enti Aisha wo de mo mehwe. Na yenka ye tie for na bia ye kasei se eyo so wo betimi agina social media ye de obeye no wo fa ho di. Eyo so betena social media actual de obetro. Se ye nyina ye betena se de bia na ye bo amane e bo da rofa sumdue ho. Na de wo so wo na wo obema ya wo manyoko se wo kwa kwhyem yi. So atiase abato ne ye memende ba ya wo. Mimi de be ye kwoto aba wo he so atiase dan me kan ye me se wa manwoko na wo koma no be din kunim na wo da fiase a na anigi ben ene de be ma wo so atiase enti no dia wo se wo ye ene se wo be ma wo bibia wo ye sento abo se da wo bo ayesumdue Mr. Brenty kasaya kase ono nim na sije wonim kwadro ye de bo no ma me wo kwadro no so enkyerɛ wo mo ekye se wakoso fear and panic no se ono no etumi nya kokodro gina so kan se IGP ne dom no famrante bia omo ye fake omo nya posifo adwempo ni nyina ne se omo de omba be ye basabasa bato da ama MPP na MPP awini wosanso bontrene etre yewra Henry Kote Interior Minister ese onimba bi otenim bibia na ntokwesi ono akasa bebo ni toku no sansem wanyina kana wu kan ye
party no ho ase a wampo
CJ ompe nti ye kasa de emfiedu kana wu ekwakoda fiase kana wu talk speak and die
ese
waka go de one die speak and jail
kana trim
CJ
waka okotrim Ashabo
that's the Kanawu revolution for 2024 IGP dampare afina matise kene Japan asam na okan afina maji kene Japan asam atum say you know the person killed JB Dankwa kene Japan say is the MP of the Republic of Ghana or say wouldn't him do kum JB Dankwa dampare mibisa osenne Tuesday the esi wasante region woni mana woni awon rukutu the fake police our Asante region. You know that? Hadikote, the interior minister, be careful. I'm warning you, strong warning. Also, now in Tokosia, you go bow yem to pine. This 2024 is all die be die. Ekufa to say all die be die for 2012. I, Commander Kenewu, I say this 2024 is all die be die. That party, be careful. I'm respecting you. Now, I'm never respecting you again. They try to fake recruit in the police service. For the December 7th, there are people to come and shoot the innocent people. And yes, sir, that party, boom, say we IGP, Emma Omai Ghana, your police service, me, Atadena Ocean, me, the come out. That is my money. Mimi sika me tax sika na me talk ade ne chain mpoba ne ma wo hwe
eti CJ nsama wo tie ye nyina yi uba Facebook a video no da ho what was some behwe
semra brand e wanu ne hu sei poto
so aye late CJ aye late aye late
me din kwasi asem
enti charges at the board mama mo so tew yes publication of false news with intent to cause fear and alarm to the public and a threat of harm nti yewra ayi hode no and record hode no and a threat of harm no and a publication of false news o kaso mo recruit o mo fa post for fake post fa mo amakoye basabasa and na ne suba no niema woda na die no so no o mo say offensive conduct conducive to breach of peace na just o minus sumdwe no niema wo ye ne kwan o fa so kasa ne ade no ebetumi ama o minus sumdwe no sinto aba ho nti eno niema ne bo aba me de bia meka social media not one man ya wadwe se ehu akira kwan o wo de awunim yankoye ni message eno no da obokrata yi sem no dodo na wode aba na yabobo so ama ono a nti ahombo ne nya redu anyam yadoma December 7 e wo se wo hye no so na wo ekoto aba na mamefa me birthday si